Master Plumber Licensure Exam. Practical Problems. Refresher. Part 6. A bidet is a plumbing fixture used for washing the B. External genitalia. A vertical pipe, or a reservoir, into which water is pumped to give it at a head. A. Riser. A piece of pipe over 300 millimeters in length but less than the commercially available, and functions as extension in the piping system. B. Cut pipe. It is a fitting or device that, when properly vented, provides a liquid seal to prevent the emission of sewer gases. A. Fixture traps. A yoke vent is an interconnection between B. Vent stack and soil stack. A plumbing permit shall become null and void if the work authorized therein is not commenced within B. 1 year. A valve installed on hot water tank to release the buildup of temperatures or pressure inside the tank. B. Temperature pressure relief valve. To boost the water pressure of hot water, use D. Circulating pump. CCIP means A. Central cast iron pipe. What type of bacteria requires no oxygen for their action in the decomposition of sewage? B. Anaerobic bacteria. What do you call the pipe or tubing that connects the outlet of a plumbing fixture to the trap? A. Tailpiece. A fitting which main function is to connect the male end of a pipe to a fitting of a larger size. B. Bushing. Polyvinyl chloride PVC pipes used for drain waste vent DWV are manufactured based on standards set by this organization. C. ASTM. RCPC means A. Reinforced concrete pipe culvert. Generally considered standard weight pipe. B. Schedule 40. The simplest and cheapest bonnet design of valve. A. Bolted. It is a pipe that conveys rainwater from the roof to the storm drain. B. Rainwater leader. It is a securing equipment or materials preparation for lifting by means of rope, chain, or web sling. A. Rigging. It is a plumbing design in which centrally located manifolds distribute water to each fixture with dedicated hot and cold water lines. A. Home run. It is a steel pipe manufactured by drawing flat steel strips, trough a die to form a cylindrical shape. C. Welded pipe.